celebrate not just the freedom we earned in 1947, but the progress we are making today and the future we are shaping. United, confident, and unstoppable. Let this Independence Day be a reminder that each of us has a role to play in building a stronger India. With this, I warmly welcome you all to the function ahead. Let's enjoy the performances and moments that fill our hearts with pride and patriotism. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Management members, teachers, staff members, dear students, parents, present here. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. So we all have gathered here to express our gratitude to the freedom fighters who have sacrificed their lives for the freedom of India. I take this opportunity to quote Mahatma Gandhi. Freedom is not worth having if it does not include the freedom to make mistakes. Mahatma Gandhi's quote reminds us that the true freedom is not about being perfect. It's about having space to learn, grow, and make mistakes. If we are all free when we are flawless, that is not freedom at all. Mistakes are part of being human, and being allowed to make them without fear is a key part of societal and personal liberty. Growth comes from not never falling, but from being free to rise after we fall. East Asia has seen a remarkable economic growth associated with demographic dividend. India is also currently experiencing a demographic dividend where the working population, that is 15 to 64 years of age, are larger than the dependent population, that is the children and the elderly. The demographic dividend is not automatic. It requires investment and so that the working population can contribute effectively to the economy. The establishment of integral city schools by Sri Ram Gopal Jaiswal and the family is the work in that direction. And as a principal, I encourage all the students to work hard and contribute to India's progress. Let us all rise and uphold the values of Constitution and work toward a better India. Jai Hind.
Vice first. Now, I would like to invite our respected science principal ma'am to come up on the stage and say a few words.
Respected dignitaries, teachers, parents, and my dear students. A very good morning and a very happy Independence Day. As we gather to celebrate the 79th anniversary of India's Independence Day, we honor the sacrifices of the freedom fighters. Today, we don't just celebrate a date, we celebrate the spirit of freedom and honor the sacrifices made to secure this freedom. Independence Day holds a special significance in the annals of our nation's history. It marks the culmination of years of struggle, resilience, and an unwavering belief in the principles of liberty and justice. As we unfold the tricolor today, we must pause and reflect on what it symbolizes. The deep saffron stands for courage and sacrifice. The white represents peace and truth, and the green signifies faith, fertility, and growth. In the center, the Ashoka Chakra echoes the eternal wheel of law and reminds us of our duty to uphold justice and righteousness. Our school isn't just a place of academic learning. It is itself on shaping responsible, informed, and persevering citizens. Each one of you, dear students, embodies the future of this nation. The values we instill in you today will guide the choices of your responsibilities for tomorrow. It's essential to understand that freedom isn't merely the right to act as one pleases, but also in carrying the responsibilities for those actions. Let's envision an India that's not only technologically advanced and economically prosperous, but also socially equitable and environmentally sustainable. Let us work towards an India where every citizen, irrespective of their background, has equal opportunities to learn, grow, and thrive. May be inspired by our past, driven by our present, and hopeful for the future. Let's uphold the principles of freedom, equality, and justice. Jai Hind!
इस बलिदान की खुशबू में आज सांस लेते हैं हजारों जान। शुक्रिया उन सभी हीरोज का जिन्होंने अतीत में देखा एक ख्वाब देश की आजादी का।
हमारा है भारत अपनी आँख का तारा है भारत ही तो आशिया हमारा है योगी है तू ही है माधुरी यशोद है खींचे जो हर पल हमको तू ही वो डोर है बदला दे तू की मौका धूपों की मौका नदियाँ में जो धूप हुई सोना चल बसंती है उसमें से झलती है जो मैंने पूजी है
To give us a country we have dreamed, to respect everyone and treat all as equals, let us also promise to support innovations and be always ready to help others. May we never forget the sacrifices that gave us this freedom. Let's not wait for the change, let's be the change. Thank you to all the teachers and organizers who made this event possible. And parents for your energetic participation. Let's live today with hearts full of pride and minds full of hope for a brighter, better India. Jai Hind, Jai